Rip at the club in the ATL. Little bitch throw it up and started raising hell. I remember Magic City, you fucking freak. Before the police started all that good shit. All the big hoes, big loose with it. All the skinny hoes, that Bruce hit it. Let a nigga fuck tonight. Damn right, bitch. Fuck my wife, you my stuff for life. You know all I do is grab that cash and won't charge you as long as you bounce that ass.
Guys, it's been months, many weeks after everything happened. And actually, I lost a lot of content during getting gapped and then having a woman with a family. What the fuck is this in my beard, bitch? Whew, I'm back. Anyway, so between getting gapped and then having someone total my car, like, the same night? Nigga, what? Talking about the death of Flash, dog. Damn, man. It's fucking wild how life works. But anyway, y'all, I lost a lot of footage in that car accident. And I'm going to just drop what I got. But remember, this is the death of Flash. This is what all of you been waiting for. Okay, maybe not all, but a good amount. Roll the shit. Just putting the motherfucking the yellow Tubi booby in that bitch. Nigga was using that yellow Tubi gooby. Catch up with that shit from the anti-lag. Oh yeah? Ladies and gentlemen, this shit is wild. Have you ever seen a grown man pull up in a fucking go-kart, nigga? I did. But wait a minute, look at this shit right here. Look at this shit right here. Look at this shit right here.
This is the scariest shit ever.
Yo, this shit is crazy. So is this a Z06 or what? What you got?
Z06. Yep.
So C6 Z06?
Yep.
I don't know shit about LS power, so I'm just making sure I got the information right.
I'm just gonna keep it till it explodes, bro.
Hey, I feel you. No, dog, yo, this shit crazy. I don't want to.
Picture of what it looks like.
Yeah, but we gotta get it in the camera, dog. You know what I'm saying?
I bought it like this.
Oh my God, you did some work.
Yeah.
No, you've been doing hella good so far.
There was holes and stuff in it.
Yeah, and you got this bitch up and working, full functional, full retard.
Yeah.
What's your name, player?
Lawrence.
Lawrence, what's your Instagram? Shout it out for him.
Reeves Island.
Hey,
That's it.
Spell it out for him. Niggas can't spell.
V-E-S.
Hey, yo.
Island, that's it. No spaces, no underscores.
Yo, my LS boys, go follow this man. Go throw some love at it. This nigga built this shit up from the heart. He took a project car and made it his car.
Yeah.
He did this shit all by hand, all by himself, thugging it out. He ain't dropped this bitch off of the shop.
Hey,
Backyard.
Right. You feel me?
Backyard.
You feel me? Backyard.
Backyard.
Hey, mama's garage.
Hey, mama's garage backyard. Hey, he a real one with it, man. He ain't say, look, he ain't say, oh, in this brand new house, I got a 6-car garage, 4-point hoist,
I'm
this
a broke
shit.
college student.
Hey, man, we all broke out here. I'm trying
That's
to get smart like you and be able to put shit together with hands,
I'm trying to
man.
get like you. Is that your GTR?
No, I rented that shit, man. Don't look at me. Yeah, man, I got that shit at Rent Cool.
Man,
hey, look, I rented that bitch at coolcars.com, man.
man. You know, I'm trying to be like you and shit. I don't got this type of talent, man. I just talk, man. You out here putting in work. Nigga, if this was Mad Flash, nigga, you showed your work, boy.
Hey, that's it. Hey, you're right.
Hey, go ahead, throw that one more. Nigga, my bad. Yeah, I'm proud of you.
Appreciate you.
Oh, I bet this shit. Wow.
Man, yeah, it was some shit. It was some shit when I first got it.
Man, you know what? I need you to do me a favor.
Yeah.
I need you to scare people. I need you to put a wheelie bar on the back of this bitch. Just put a wheelie bar.
Like, oh,
yeah. Just put a wheelie bar and then get a parachute with a unicorn dick on it.
And I'm like, oh,
yeah, they're like, hey, look, when you got the nigga, pop the shoot on the nigga.
Yeah,
Pop the shoot on that motherfucker, dog. Pop the
I'm
shoot
gonna
on
keep it like this. Pro charge it. Listen, forge that bitch. Cam heads.
Ugh.
No, I'm just playing. I ain't gonna do that.
Hey, it's all good.
I was hoping, but I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna probably sell it though.
That's cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell it as soon as I'm done. I'm gonna sell it, and I'm gonna get something. I'm probably rebuild an AMG GT or something like that.
Ooh, shit, man. You want some Maybach music, motherfucking big body shit.
Hey, they cheap enough, man.
Hey.
Cheap enough to flip.
Man.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you show your work, man. Took his project, put it on the road, now he rolling with it, and started from nothing. Young Jesus said, I used to have nothing. Hey, now I got a whole lot of everything. Nigga came through starting. Got the titties all out, nigga, you know his name. Boy, that motherfucker cold, man. One more time, Lawrence, right?
Yeah.
That's my cousin's name, so I ain't gonna never forget that. That's
All
what's
right,
up.
man.
Yeah, I forget names like a motherfucker, but I ain't gonna forget that.
Hey,
You lucky.
man, shit, what was your name?
Flash, man.
Flash, bro?
Yeah, yup.
So,
My
nice to meet you,
nigga.
man.
For sure. Yeah. You'll catch this shit on my YouTube, dog. Flash McNasty,
Hey,
man. We out here.
Should I follow you? I'll
What's going on, man? What's up?
Hey, I have no passengers today. Let's go. I'll bring it.
It don't matter to me.
Okay. Go. Go.
Death of McNasty is here, guys. It's the moment y'all waited for. As I was going home, a lady decided to merge over into my lane and smack me in my rear quarter panel. Almost killed me. My car died, but I didn't. So, welcome to the death of McNasty. I'm done. Done racing. This is it.